I spent a lot during Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, but let me tell you, these are not impulsive dopamine buys. These are just essentials that I really needed. So let me show you everything that I got. Let's start strong with Laneige Strong Barrier Minis set. This includes 3 products. First up, we have their Cream Skin Serapeptide. It's like my toner and moisturizer just had a baby. I really wanted to try this, but I end up taking a trio. Next up is Water Bank Hyaluronic Cream, which will plump up my skin. And lastly, we have Water Sleeping Mask. This trio is screaming hydration station. Then I picked up Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie 03. She has this pretty pink and peachy shades. I got this to layer over my cream and liquid blushes so that it stays throughout the day. I was this close to buying the newest L'Oreal Serum Foundation, but then I had to remind myself that I own too many skin tints, and what I actually needed was a full coverage foundation. So I went for the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 220 Neutral. Now here's the thing, it says that it's neutral, but it pulls little orangish on me, which I'm gonna fix by mixing with another foundation. Next I got Layer Wottagirl Vanilla Twist. She's a warm vanilla with a hint of coconut. Now she's a body mist. I don't expect her to last all day long. However, she'll stay in my bag for those midday refreshes. Now this one's new for me. It's Dr. Mascara Fixer by ETUDE. It's like a primer for your lashes and helps them stay curled all day. Now my lashes tend to droop faster than my motivation, so I really needed this and I'm excited to see if it really holds up my lashes. I also got Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. I seriously cannot do eyeliner pens. They just stress me out. So I stick to the OG brush tip, which is like perfect for winged eyeliners. Now let me show you the wild card of this haul. Swiss Beauty Loose Foil Pigments. I want to swatch it right now. Oh my god. My nails. Okay. Wait, she is so pigmented, like full glam and single swipe. She'll be perfect for those festive glam looks. I also picked up my favorite cleanser. It's Foxtale Daily Do It Hydrating Cleanser. I used to think all the cleansers are just the same until I tried this one. So basically cleansers are used to remove the oil and dirt from the face, but this one, it removes makeup, sunscreen, all my sins without drying my face. And finally the purchase that started it all. I was running out of my shampoo and conditioner, so I got this one from BBlunt. It's their hair fall control shampoo and conditioner. I have been hearing good things about this shampoo. I don't know about the hair fall part, but the formula is great for oily scalp and dry ends, which is exactly my hair type. So I got this. And finally, my holy grail product, WishCare Underarm Roll-On. It helps lighten pigmentation and keeps me fresh all day long. So obviously, I had to get 2 of them. And these are the freebies that I got. So yeah, that was it for the haul. If you made it till the end, you're my kind of person. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you later.